Nick and Dennis are in a supercharged golf cart 50 miles from Los Angeles at noon. They proceeded to put the golf cart on cruise control for their trip. At 4 o'clock, they were 490 miles away. How far away were they at 3:30?
So, as we know, speed equals distance over time. And in this case, we do not know the speed. However, we do know the distance, which is 490 minus 50, which is 440. So the distance would be 440 miles divided by the time. And if they started at noon, from noon to 4 o'clock, they have traveled for 4 hours. And 440 divided by 4 is 110. So the speed will equal 110 miles per hour.
In this problem, y equals distance, which we were trying to figure out, m equals speed, which is 110, x equals time, which is 330, or 3.5, and b equals distance from starting point, which is 50. Alright, so 110 times 3.5 equals 385, plus 50 equals 435. So y equals 385 plus 50, which equals 435.
From there, we are going to
miles.
Another way we could do this is to cross multiply. We could have 4 hours over 440 miles equals 3.5 hours over x miles. So, when we cross multiply, we will have 4x equals 1,540, and we will divide this by 4, divide this side by 4, and we are left with x equals 385. But because we started 50 miles from Los Angeles, we are going to add 385 to 50, which will give us 435 miles.
So, in conclusion, these are two ways you can solve the problem. Dennis and I are in a supercharged golf cart going 50 miles from Los Angeles at noon. We proceeded to put the golf cart on cruise control for our trip. At 4 o'clock, we were 490 miles away. How far away were we at 3:30? These two methods can help you solve this problem and problems like it.